name is Simon Hodgson. I'm the founder and managing director of Precision Sim Engineering. We make high-end control systems for motorsport simulators, focusing mainly on steering wheels and data displays. We were introduced to CoPlan through Dura in the design process for our workshop. So we knew we wanted a visual tooling system, but when we entered into talks with CoPlan, we were shown how much more this system was capable of doing, more than we had initially imagined. Not only were they able to provide a visual tool solution that allowed you to lay out tools in a very intuitive manner, but to go beyond that and allow you to track calibration, track your tooling audits, log missing tools, and provide easy access to data sheets, all through a single interface. So we make top-of-class steering wheels for motorsport simulators. They're used in harsh environments, and that means that during production, we need to ensure that our standards are kept high. So that means that we need to ensure that our workspaces remain tidy, and we were using the correct tools with the correct calibration values to ensure that we were delivering the best product every time. Having CoPlan and kit installed in our workshop is a great fit for us because it's really helped with the speed of production. It's allowed us to change tools quickly and not go hunting for things in toolboxes. It makes it much more efficient to track lost tooling and track damaged tooling. And it's made reordering tools when they're lost or damaged much easier. I can't say that we were particularly surprised by anything because from the start, CoPlan have laid out what they were capable of doing and then have delivered on every aspect of that, from the initial discussions through to the final product. Everything has been as promised. What I would say to anyone considering a kit system for their workshop is that it will make your workshop more efficient. It will keep your workforce accountable for their tooling. And I can access a complete list of my tool inventory in just a few clicks. So for us, it was completely worth the investment.